Understanding group fitness classes.
Group fitness classes bring people together to exercise under the guidance of an instructor. For beginners, these classes offer structured workouts, a sense of community, and motivation from peers. Common formats include yoga, spin, aerobics, and strength training. But are they truly effective for those just starting their fitness journey? Let's explore the facts versus the fiction.
Advantage: motivation and accountability.
One key benefit of group classes for beginners is motivation. Working out with others often boosts commitment and enjoyment. Scheduled class times create accountability, making it less likely you'll skip sessions. The group atmosphere can also encourage you to push yourself, sometimes more than you might alone, while still being guided by a professional.
Guidance and safety for novices.
Instructors in group classes provide crucial guidance on exercise technique. For beginners, this can mean safer workouts, reducing the risk of injury. Instructors typically offer modifications and corrections, ensuring that anyone, regardless of experience, can participate and progress. This supervision is especially valuable for those new to fitness routine.
Common misconception: one size fits all.
A common myth is that group classes work for every beginner. In reality, not all classes are suitable for every fitness level. Some routines may be too intense or too advanced. It's important for beginners to choose classes designed for their level and to communicate with instructors about any concerns or limitations.
Do group classes deliver results?
Research suggests that beginners attending group fitness classes often experience improved consistency and quicker progress. The supportive environment keeps motivation high, while varied routines challenge different muscle groups. However, individual results depend on participation, effort, and choosing the right class. Group fitness can be a highly effective starting point for many.
Conclusion: are group classes right for you?
Group fitness classes offer structured workouts, professional guidance, and motivational support. Advantages that can help beginners achieve results safely and efficiently. However, the best results come from finding classes suited to your needs and listening to your body. Start with beginner-focused options and enjoy the process as you build a fitness foundation.